Welcome to the third episode of the series Discipline at Will. Today, we're talking about goals, and if you don't want to set goals, you really need to watch until the end. Why? Because without clear goals, you risk drifting through life, falling into bad habits, and never reaching your full potential. Scary, right? So stick around, this could be the most important step toward becoming the best version of yourself. What is a goal? A goal is the result you aim to achieve by completing specific tasks, but not just any goal will keep you disciplined and moving forward. You need the right kind of goals. That's why effective goals follow the SMART framework: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Specific: your goals should be clear and detailed. Vague goals don't inspire action because you won't know exactly what you're aiming for. Measurable: you need a way to track progress, so your goal should include a measurable outcome. Achievable: this is key. Setting unrealistic goals sets you up for failure. When your goals are too difficult to reach, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and give up. Relevant: your goals must align with your vision, the bigger picture of who you want to become. If your goals don't match your vision, they'll feel empty and won't provide the motivation needed to stay disciplined. Time-bound: set a deadline to create urgency. A time frame of 4 to 12 weeks is ideal, long enough to see progress but short enough to maintain focus. Setting clear, actionable tasks. Once your goals are set, you need to break them down into specific tasks. These tasks should be clear and executable, designed to move you directly toward your goal. Ideally, set daily tasks that fit into your routine and help you make continuous progress. For each goal, limit yourself to no more than 2 or 3 tasks at a time, ideally only one. Too many tasks will scatter your focus. When you know exactly what to do each day, you remove ambiguity and build discipline through consistent, intentional action.
If you want to increase your discipline, subscribe to Adam Mentor.
Think carefully about your goals. It's essential to take the time to think deeply about your goals. You should aim to set the right goals, the ones that truly matter to you. Once you've set your goals, commit to them for the entire time frame you've planned. Resist the urge to change them midway, unless you've achieved them early, discovered they're truly unachievable, or realized they're no longer relevant. Don't question your goals while you're executing them. Separate the planning phase, where you define your goals and the tasks needed to achieve them, from the execution phase, where you focus solely on taking action and moving toward your objectives. Keep it simple. Limit yourself to a maximum of 3 goals at any given time. When you take on too many, you dilute your focus and increase the likelihood of not achieving any of them. Values as constraints. When setting goals, it's also important to define your values clearly. Your values serve as constraints, ensuring you never compromise on what truly matters to you, even when pursuing ambitious goals. In an upcoming episode, we'll dive deeper into how to define and use your values as a guiding framework for your life and discipline. Coming up next. Thank you for sticking with this episode until the end. See you in the next episode, where we'll dive into creating a powerful vision. This vision will become the foundation for your goals and the disciplined life you want to build.